Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to record a quick video to showcase our one-click installer for TradingView. As you can see here, I have a brand new VPS that I just launched with no software installed. I'm going to come to our software installation center inside of the VPS control panel on our website. I'm going to select TradingView and then click Install Now. What this does is it automatically installs TradingView on your VPS for you with no technical setup, nothing on your part. You just sit back and relax, and in a few seconds, the TradingView program will be installed for you fully automatically on your VPS. So I click the button. I'm just going to wait a few seconds here, and then as you can see, 15-20 seconds later, we have the TradingView icon ready for us on our desktop. I'll double click it, and as you can see, the program starts right up. There is no technical work, no complex setup, a few clicks of a button, and it's all ready for you to use. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks.